Hey everybody, and welcome to Boston, Massachusetts. Today I'm going to take a walk down Stuart Street. We're starting on the corner of Chinatown. We're near the Tufts Medical Center and Washington Street. It's about 11 a.m. and about 45 degrees out. It is March 6th, 2023. It is a Monday morning. A little bit of a breeze, but it is beautiful otherwise. And we're coming up upon this historical building. It's a Jacob Wirth Company building, 31 to 37 Stuart Street. This was a historic restaurant. It was a German-American restaurant. It was constructed in 1844, and the restaurant was founded in 1868. It was closed in 2018, and at the time of its closing, it was the second oldest continuously running restaurant in Boston after the Union Oyster House. It's a twin bow-front Greek Revival building. It was designated as a Boston landmark in 1977, and it was added to the National Register of Historic Places in 1980. All right, we're going to come down and we're going to cross Tremont Street as we continue along. So I'm going to walk the entire distance here. We're going to cross through the theater district, and I believe eventually we wind up in Copley Square way on the other end. All right, this is Tremont Street here. As we cross through the theater district here. You really get beautiful views of Boston coming down the street. There's the Hancock, or the 200 Clarendon Street building. It's a very beautiful view here. The Rock Bottom restaurant. I've never tried that. This is an historical building across the street here. This is the Burdett Building, which was built in 1928 for Burdett College, which was founded in 1879. Burdett College occupied the building until the 1950s, and it was subsequently sold. By 1980, the building was acquired by the New England School of Law, who occupy it to this day as a place of learning. Ooh, that sun is bright though. You can see the New England School of Law is right on out front there. About to cross over Charles Street South. Park Place. Bit of a breeze coming from the front here. I'm sure that my microphone is picking that up. So this little park here is called Statler Park, and this large building in the background is the Boston Park Plaza Hotel. This hotel began construction in 1925 and opened on March 10th, 1927. And interestingly enough, it was originally called the Statler Hotel, which is the same name as this park here. There's you can see the Boston Park Plaza. Now we're about to cross over Columbus and Arlington. There's actually another beautiful building here. We're in the back bay, it appears. This beautiful old tower here. This tower is called the Armory of the First Corps of Cadets, and it's a 4-story granite structure that was designed by William Gibbons Preston and built in the beginning of 1891 and was finished in 1897. It was built to withstand riots and attacks due to civil unrest. Technically, I believe it's actually an Arlington Street address, but I figured I'd say something about it since we go by it as we continue along down Stuart Street. Had a beautiful view of the buildings here. Take a look back at the tower. And we're about to cross Berkeley Street, and actually Berkeley Street is definitely on my list of doing one of these walks. There's a good amount of history there too. There's the City of Boston Police Department headquarters. It's not actually, that used to be. It's now Hotel aka Raka, I guess. So apparently this building actually was a police headquarters from the 1920s until 1997, which is, I guess it's not that recent anymore, but when it was converted into a hotel. Sorry if there's a little glare from the sunlight. And we're about to cross over Clarendon Street, and at the base of the 200 Clarendon Tower, or the John Hancock Tower. You can see it's above us right now. You got a beautiful reflection of the building across from it. Around the corner of Clarendon and Stuart. Got some construction going on. More gorgeous views here. And we're about to cross over Dartmouth Street. I think we are. I'm not sure how much farther Stuart goes here, but I know mine ends in Copley Square. Might go one more block. Let's see. Yeah, definitely goes the next block. There's the Boston Public Library down there. And the Fairmont Copley Plaza Hotel. Oh, there it goes. You see how windy it is. Things are just blowing around. And we're getting close to the base of the Prudential, actually. there's the Prue. Alright, so this is the end of the walk. As you can see, Stuart basically turns into Huntington Ave here. So, actually here, why don't I? As you do my outro, I'll walk back towards the Boston Public Library. So as always, if you enjoyed my video, make sure to hit the like button. If you like my content and you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to keep up with notifications of new videos. Check out my photography at WayneOxfordPhotography.com, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for coming along. Bye.